Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from How to Fix Online. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the problems within the Hotmail or Outlook application if it is not working as it is supposed to. So let's get started right away. If you're trying to use the Outlook or Hotmail application but you notice various issues such as crashing or hanging, then there are a few steps that you can take to fix this issue. The first thing to check is to see if your internet connection is smooth and stable. Open up any other application that uses the internet and see if they're working just fine. If they are, then your internet connection is not to blame. So the second thing to check is to see if your application is updated to the latest version. Open up the iOS App Store or the Google Play Store and then search for Microsoft Outlook. Once you find the application, if you see an update button instead of open, then you will need to tap on it to install the latest updates. Wait until the update is completed, and when you see the open button, tap on it and see if your issue is fixed. If it still doesn't work, long press on the Outlook application and then tap on the Info button. Now, from the application info page, tap on Force Stop at the bottom right corner first to stop the application, and after stopping the app, scroll down and tap on Storage. Now, from the storage page, tap on Clear Cache at the bottom right corner first and see if this fixes your issue. If it still doesn't work, then you can tap on Clear Data at the bottom left as well and tap on the Delete button to clear all of the Outlook application user data. After this step is completed, you will need to log into your account once again, but now your application will be working just fine. And there you have it. That is how you can go about on fixing the problems within the Outlook or Hotmail application. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.